This year at Busworld 2015, Solaris Bus & Coach is presenting three new vehicles. The first one is a 12-meter new generation of electric bus. This bus is equipped with the pantograph opportunity charging station, opportunity charger, as well as with the plug-in. Thanks to this solution and flexible adjustment of the battery size, we are able to deliver to our customers electric bus, 100% electric bus, which can operate 24/7 in our cities. The second vehicle is a new generation of Solaris Urbino 12-meter low entry. It's more spacious, more comfortable for passengers, as well we delivered more comfortable and ergonomic driver's cabin. So this is a new offer for city and intercity operations. And the third vehicle in our stand is a new concept minibus. It's a concept vehicle as a minibus version based on the chassis from DAF. We think it could be in the future a good offer, for example, as a school bus.
Good morning, gentlemen. You're here at the VDL stand in Busworld Kortrijk, and we welcome you and are happy to show you a couple of our products which we have on the stand here on the show. The most important in our news is big news is our double-decker, our FDD2, complete new design, part of the Futura family. Our Futura name, which is an old name in the history of our company, representing the coaches that we sell through the whole of Europe. And here you can see our product. It's a 4-meter high double-decker, 14 meters long, and our new offer in the market of intercity transport, what is now developing in Italy as well. A lot of people that can go very luxury on travel with this coach. Yeah, we are standing here with a Citea city bus, low-floor city bus. And on this show, on this exhibition, also with us, you see a lot of developments with new alternative drivelines. A lot of cities are looking for other sort of drivelines than the diesel driveline. We have a few offerings there. We have a full electric vehicle, low-floor electric vehicle. Outside you can see a few other examples of hybrid drive, the combination of electrics and a small diesel engine. Yeah, new development with a lot of potential.
Hello, this is Rudi Kuchter from MAN. Welcome to MAN stand in Kortrijk. Yeah, well, welcome here to all customers and interested in buses. So what's new here on MAN stand? First we have the world premiere of the Lions Intercity, an interurban bus that is focused on total cost of ownership, and easy to maintain. It's the first who is fulfilling the overall test of Europe, ECE 66.02, and therefore we launched this bus which fits in our portfolio, and we are very glad to have it here. On the other side we have the Lions City. This is a city bus from MAN, which we reduced of 150 kilos the weight due to body trimming, new seats and lighter air condition. And finally we gave him also a 2-cylinder air compressor, which we reduced than 10% of consumption. And this is very important for TCO. On the other side, a lot of safety features, which make him one of the best city buses in the world. On the other side, we have for sure, and we are celebrating the 100 years of MAN this year. And a lot of history inventing the diesel motor by MAN from Rudolf Diesel, coming to gas since 1943. We have gas buses and are world leaders in gas buses, city buses, with over 8,500 buses, chassis and motors around. Then comes the hybrid, and therefore we officially announced this year here in Kortrijk show our e-mobility strategy, that we will launch 12-meter and 18-meter city buses with opportunity and overnight charging, starting in end of 2017 with a serial production in 2019. On the other side, you can see here later on is the Neoplan product launch that we have with our new double-decker Skyliner, which is best in class in consumption, aerodynamic, new air condition and quality in primary materials, which we built up in our factories and in a special interior design with our bus modification center in Germany, in Plauen. The same we've done here with our lines, with our Cityliner, which also have a special interior. And the Cityliner is the evergreen in coach business, and therefore talking coach business and talking 100 years of anniversary for MAN, we launched also a Lions Coach Edition, which is our bestseller. We sold over 7,000 times in the world, and we have this special edition with a special interior in the coach business. Thank you very much.
welcome to the Volvo stand here today, and we are launching a lot of new things in the stand 2015. So then talking about the electrical vehicle that we're launching here today, it's in the series of electromobility that we have the hybrid, we have the electric hybrid that we launched last year, and now we're going into full electric. We are having a charging station where you charge the bus in the end of the lines, and we adapt the whole bus system to the timetable and the line that the customer is operating. Okay, so to introduce new technology to the market, we have decided to go with a business model we call turnkey. And in the turnkey, we include both the vehicle, the infrastructure, the system there, and also monitoring of the buses, repair and maintenance. And the customer will have every month a report how the bus is functioning. And that is to make it simple for the customer to implement new technology. And with this new technology, the customer, the city, and the operator will earn money, of course, in fuel reduction. But most important is, of course, the benefit with a silence and a city free of emission.
Volvo Dynamic Steering is a Volvo invention. It has been around for trucks for roughly 2 years. It's available now also for the coaches from Volvo, the full range of coaches, including the chassis with Euro 6. And it consists of an electrical motor and a control unit. And this is placed on the hydraulic steering. But in the case of buses, we have a different solution, where we put it on the angle gear, because after the steering column we have an angle gear that transfers the power back, and at the back we have this hydraulic steering. But what the VDS is doing is giving an extra torque at low speeds, both when you drive forward and especially in reversing. But it also has a couple of sensors that 2,000 times per second senses the movement of the vehicle and correct the adjustment of the steering. So, for instance, in a coach, if you go with a high speed on a bad road, all the disturbances in the road from a bad road bed will be taken care of by the VDS system, the horizontal movement. So as long as you hold the vehicle steering wheel steady, all adjustments automatically will be handled by the VDS. It's also linked to the speed of the vehicle, because the higher speed you have of the vehicle, the lower torque you need to introduce into the steering. So it's speed dependent. And if you look at the common illnesses of a driver of a truck or a bus or a coach, is the muscles in the neck and the shoulders, because if you have driven a number of years in this occupation, you start to be, so say, you get muscle ache basically. And there had been a study in the European Union rather recently claiming that up to 40% of the male truck drivers have problems, and 55% of the female drivers. So this is an enhancement of the working environment for the drivers really. And also a driver with VDS will be much more relaxed, and that will enhance safety in the sense that a more relaxed driver is less tired, a lower amount of fatigue, and then you will be more alert to drive the vehicle. So that's basically what VDS is doing. And we will also introduce VDS later on our range of city vehicles and intercity vehicles. And there is more development to come in this area. For instance, one is if you have a side wind affecting the vehicle, we can then also adjust the movement of the side wind, so it will be taken care of by the VDS. Looking further, we can get vibration in the steering wheel when you have a lane departure warning system. And we can also have an active lane departure warning, meaning that the VDS will drag the vehicle back into the lane if you unintentionally is passing a sideline. And this is also one of the technologies we need in order to have semi-automated driven vehicles or fully automated vehicles.
Well, what we are introducing here is we have the i8, which is the new flagship of Irizar, and this vehicle is completely new, and this is for the top segment of the market. The i8 we have brought are integral vehicles powered by Euro 6 DAF engines. The rest of the components of the powertrain are ZF axles, ZF gearbox as well, and steering. And well, the specs of the vehicles are very high. We are offering only the vehicle as super high decker. It's 3.8 meters high, always flat floor. 3 options of toilet, either in the middle, high or low toilet, or in the rear. And the seat configuration can be 2+2, 2+1, or 1+1. And we are starting to deliver vehicles to customers in the first quarter of 2016. Besides the i8, which is this vehicle that we have here, outside we have a new i3 low entry, integral of course, and powered by a DAF biodiesel engine. These vehicles, well, these are for Sweden, but they will be available in the rest of the European countries. We have there the i6, which is our best-selling product nowadays, and behind we have the pure electric Irizar city bus, okay, low floor, and that has a range of 250 kilometers approximately by charge. And well, Irizar is growing in all European markets, and our idea is of course to grow in Benelux, Germany, Switzerland, Austria, and Scandinavia. And that's what I have to say about our stand, which you can see as well that we have an open stand that shows Irizar spirit, which is to welcome to customers and be very close to them. So, as I mentioned, that's a strategic part of our approach to the market.
afternoon. I'm Chris Kassar. I'm the Managing Director of King Long Europe. And here King Long managed to make the best solution for hybrid. And they managed to put 4 buses into one. I explain more. This bus that is behind me has function to be in electrical bus, can be a diesel power bus, can be diesel hybrid in series, can be diesel hybrid in parallel, and also can regenerate the brake exhaust power. This is the first time that happened in this engineering type of green energy, and we received very good comments about this development, and it will be the 4th generation very soon, which will make the vehicle more efficient. At the moment, the recovery of investment, it is 4 years. For example, if you spend 240,000 for this bus, you will recover those for the investment in 4 years, which is very good. Over the left-hand side, you can see the table for that we prepared a simulation of how it works, which later we can explain in more details.
you.